Do you know that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, does not sell a single product? Facebook is free, yet he is worth billions. How? Because in this digital economy, you are the product. Every time you scroll through Facebook or Instagram, you are generating money for someone else. Are you aware that we have transited from paper currency into an era where money is no longer physical but digital? Hence, the digital and knowledge economy. Welcome back to Cash Empire Revolution. If you thought the previous episodes we are revealing, brace yourself because this is the real game changer. Wait, lest I forget, go and watch them and you'll be glad that you did. Now, let's step into the next level of money evolution, which is the fourth level of money evolution. Fasten your seatbelt because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. This level of money evolution is known as the digital and knowledge economy. This is where real wealth is no longer about how much cash you have in your wallet, but about what you know, what you can create, and how you can leverage the system. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you carried a bag of money to make a major purchase? Probably never. We sweep cards, make bank transfers, use mobile money, and now even deal with cryptocurrencies. This is the new reality. And if you're still living in the industrial age mindset, believing that working harder, clocking in 9 to 5, and saving money in the bank will make you rich, you are running a race that has already been declared obsolete. Imagine a taxi driver versus the tech entrepreneur for a moment. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a taxi driver who has been hustling for over 15 years, waking up at 4 a.m. daily, driving under the hot sun, enduring traffic and rude customers. One day, a young man named James created an app that connects passengers with drivers. James never owned a single taxi, but makes billions just by facilitating transactions. The taxi driver is sweating, James is chilling, and money is flowing into his account. What changed, you may ask? James understood the fourth level of money evolution, that is digital leverage. Now let us explore some of the key features of the fourth level of money evolution. One of these is that money is no longer physical. In this economy, your wealth is in digital assets, intellectual properties, cryptocurrencies, and online platforms. Secondly, knowledge is your new currency. What you know determines your earning power. Think about it. Why does a top consultant get paid in thousands for a few hours of advice, while a laborer works all day for pennies? Because of knowledge. The third key feature is to leverage on labor. Wealthy people no longer exchange time for money. They create a system that works for them. So your money is supposed to be working for you even while you sleep. Attention is your new gold mine. What do I mean by this? Social media influencers, YouTubers, and content creators are making millions simply because they have people's attention. If you're not building a brand online, you are leaving money on the table. Do you know that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, does not sell a single product? Facebook is free, yet he is worth billions. How? Because data is money. And every time you scroll through Facebook or Instagram, you are generating value for someone else. In this new economy, if you're not selling something online, then you are the product. If you ignore this evolution, there is danger. Many people are still trapped in the old system, thinking that getting a degree and job will secure their financial future. But let me warn you, if your income depends on physical effort alone, you are in a financial danger. AI is replacing jobs. Automation is taking over industries. And the only people who will survive are those who adapt. Think about this. If banks no longer need cashiers because of ATMs, if factories no longer need workers because of robots, where will you find the jobs after you badge your degrees? Yesterday, I went to one of the banks in town. I was shocked to see that there were no customers on the queue waiting to withdraw cash over the counter. In fact, there were no customers on the queue to deposit cash over the counter. This is why you need to position yourself in the knowledge and digital economy. You have to start by learning a high-income skill, invest in digital assets, and create multiple streams of income. Very important. You may be asking, Coach Blessing, what should I do now? Let me tell you what you should do. Educate yourself. Read books, take online courses, attend seminars, and follow thought leaders in finance and business. This way, you are positioning yourself to adapt to this economy, which is the knowledge economy. Create digital assets. You can start a YouTube channel, write ebooks, create online courses on how to do videos, or invest in cryptocurrencies. Discover your passion. Don't create a YouTube channel if you know you are not ready to do a lot of research. You may lose your mind. Leverage on the internet. See, the internet is a space for the son of nobody to become somebody. As long as you have a smartphone, you can monetize your skills through freelancing, coaching, or content creation. Build passive income. Stop trading time for money. Invest in real estate or businesses that can generate money even while you sleep. Here, revolutionists, the world has changed. The rich are no longer those who work the hardest, but those who think the smartest. The fourth level of money evolution is not coming, it is already here. The question is, are you ready for it? Imagine a software developer in Silicon Valley. He's sitting at home in pajamas, making billions of dollars in a single day selling digital products online. No physical cash, no heavy lifting, just knowledge and skill. A teenager on YouTube makes thousands of dollars monthly just by playing video games and reviewing them. The like of Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, these men turn knowledge into billions without lifting a single metal like in the industrial age. They solved problems. This shows that money is a medium of exchange. Let me redefine what money is. Perhaps it will help you to understand why I am doing this. Apart from money being a medium of exchange, money is also a reward for solving problems. If money is evolving, then how do you make sure you are not left behind? It's simple. Stop chasing money, start chasing value. Yes, I said it. Money is a reward for solving problems. Here is it. If you solve small problems, you make small money. If you solve big problems, you make big money. If you solve national problems, you make national money. And if you solve global problems, you make global money. Look at some of the richest men in the world today. They solve problems. Elon Musk solving the problem of transportation and space travel. Jeff Bezos is solving the problem of online shopping. Mark Zuckerberg is solving the problem of global communication. And even Aliko Dangote is solving the problem of food supply in Africa. These men didn't chase money. They created value and money chased them. So stop asking, where can I find money? Start asking, what problem can I solve to attract money? Apart from Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and Aliko Dangote, there are so many problems in your environment. There are so many problems in our world today that you can solve. If you find this video valuable, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Cash Empire Revolution for more powerful insights. Let's keep evolving and building our financial empire together. Please drop a comment. Follow me on all platforms for more wealth building strategies. Love you.